Lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install ESLint on Windows operating system. So first you're opening the command prompt and first you need to install the Node.js. So if I write here Node, then you can get here Node.js version 18 is installed. So first you need to install the Node.js. After that, opening the command prompt once again, and next here you need to use this command npm install. Press enter. Here you can see this npm install -g eslint. So for this one, internet must be connected because this do some downloading completed in 3596 seconds. And so here you can see added 23 packets 1623 or run npm fund for details. After that, the next is here you need to install npm install -save diff eslint. So this time you can see 37 packets that are here and find 0. Added 80 packets are there or 216 and 9 seconds. After if I write here eslint version, then you can get the version of eslint 8. Version 8 is there. Okay, so this is how we can install eslint on Windows operating systems. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.